In this video, I want to talk about this air purifier. This company right here reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to test this out. They'll send me a free sample, and reading up on it, I thought this had something that was really cool that all my other air purifiers that I've ever owned does not have, which we will get into. But of course, I said yes because I'm making this video because I think it's a cool product. So let me go over the features here. First, we'll turn it on with the power button right here. And this has 10 different speeds from 1, which is really quiet. This is sleeping mode. And then you can go up like this to normal. This is 5, which even 5 is pretty powerful. But right here it says powerful. We'll go up to 10. And this really is very powerful. It also has auto mode right here, which will detect how much this basically your room needs. This will do up to a 900 square foot room. As you can see, this is really low now because the air quality here in this room is good. So you have a timer right here. It'll do up to 12 hours. You leave it like that, it'll shut off after 12 hours. It has a sleep mode right here that will just change it to a lower setting, and this LED light will go off. It has a child lock right here. You hold down and now it is locked, so you can't change any settings. We'll unlock it here. And this right here is the filter reset, which we won't do. So we'll take it off auto mode, and then we'll put it to the lowest setting just so we can talk about it. So this screen will light up and you'll see that it will say PM 2.5, and you'll have a number reading here, which right now is 10. So that is the feature that I think is really cool. And what these numbers are is basically a way to read the quality of the air that is in your house. It also has a light right here to tell you. It has different scales. Right now it's on blue because the air quality is very good. It also has green, which is good. If your air quality is moderate, it will light up orange, and if it's poor, it will light up red. So that's a general indicator of what your air quality is. The PM 2.5 is a way to scientifically measure it, and I'm not a scientist, but after doing some research, I have found that PM 2.5 is in reference to particulate matter that is 2.5 micrograms or less, which turns out to be about 1/10 of the width of a human hair. So these are tiny, tiny particles that get sucked in here into the filter. It takes a reading, and those particles can come from dust, smoke, like if you have a chimney going, from the soot, if you're cooking, all kinds of places, and they are so, so tiny that they can get into your lungs and embed themselves in there and cause health problems if you have very poor air quality. So it's really cool that this will actually tell you how your air quality is. I'm gonna turn this off and show you how to change the filter. Right on the bottom here, you'll see it says open and close. So all you do is you hold this top part and then spin it, and the filter is right here. This right here is a 4-stage filter, and this is actually a stage as well. This is a fabric pre-filter, and then it has a nylon pre-filter on the outside here, and the main filter is the one that really captures those small particles, tiny dust particles, smoke, pollen, pet dander, and behind that one is a HEPA high efficiency filter that removes 99.97% of particles in the air, and it filters compounds like formaldehyde, benzene, ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, which you get from, say, a stain, a varnish, even paint, especially oil-based paints, anything like that. And then there is another filter in here, which is an activated carbon filter, and that one can even reduce odors in the air. So it goes in just like this. This will last for up to a year, which is nice. And then to replace this, you just pop this back on like this and twist. Make sure it's locked in. And just as a note, make sure you open this up before you turn it on and take the plastic off of that filter, because there is plastic when this is shipped. So of all air purifiers that I've ever owned, this one is the coolest, because this is the only one I've ever owned that will actually give you a scale of how your air quality is. The only way to tell on other ones is if you remove the filter and there's a bunch of dust on it. But this is really cool, and we're gonna actually do a little test. Right now, this is reading 9, and that is just in general, so you know, there is a scale from 0 to, we'll say, 116 and greater. So 116, if this read 116 or greater, then there's bad news, because that is very poor air quality. And anything under, in this case, for this unit, 35, means that the air quality is very good. That 9 means that there's 9 micrograms per cubic meter of particulate matter that is 2.5 micrometers or less in this kitchen right now. Whew, that's a lot of stuff. But, so I'm guessing that's why they put the different colored lights here. Let's see if we can change the color of the lights and get this scale to go up. So I've brought this out to my garage, because what I'm gonna do is light a match and just kind of blow the smoke in here and see if we can get that scale to go up. Probably take a minute. There it goes. 27. 39, you can see the color change to green, up to 49. That's because I had that match right next to it, blew the smoke in there. 59. So it's working. And now as it's filtering, it's going back down, taking that all out of the air. This would probably be a similar reading if somebody was smoking in your house, or it might be even higher. So that's really cool to have that. We actually got this up to the red zone while testing. Hopefully that never happens in your house, but it's nice to have a general indicator of the air quality in your home. This even comes with an app that you can control this from your phone, and if you need to know more information, it has the manual that has everything you need to know. I think it's a really cool product, better than any purifier I've ever owned. And if you were interested in one, hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.